Okay, it's currently 3 p.m. GMT. This is S&P on the 15-minute chart, and looking for a little long in here to run us back up into this area on this 15-minute chart. But if we go on the 5-minute chart, so you can see this overall area which I'm looking at right now, and this is the little shelf of the 5-minute which is pushing us down, which is now seems to me that it's failing right now. So if we go on a 1-minute chart, so you can see this little fractal being the bottom side being picked up by these little wicks moving us down, but this moves thumbs up, clean this up, and now this move down should be in control. So same way this move is now in control for the down move, but to the upside for this for this little swing, but for the overall downswing, this is a shelf that is in control. So if we do take out this shelf, I'm looking for longs in potentially in this area if it doesn't get filled, if it straight takes this level out. But anywhere somewhere which represents a gap, I'm looking for a long, and looking for the area which I showed you on the 15-minute in here. So just back up in here. So this area, um, I think we can reach this area. This is the yesterday session closure. So, and this is the bleeding of the of market hours for New York equity. So I think we have a higher chance of drawing back up into this range, at least till here, possibly here. But also given the fact that we came close to this liquidity, so might have picked something up. So this liquidity is coming off the VIX on this 15-minute chart. So you can see picking up these wicks are picking up some liquidity from the some of these little levels in here and moving us up, so which haven't been tested. So let's see. Not a great fan of the level, but I think we can see something if the shelf fails. So that's why I didn't take the trade straight into my level. So I'm waiting for a little confirmation in here. So let's see. So we have hit this liquidity now. We might draw back into the range, but I want to see this this box. I want to see price trading above this box in here, and then make a retest possibly to this shelf area, and then we can go along with the stop below in here. So let's see if we do get that. Okay, so we have ticked above this area. So overall general structure, I want to be aggressive with the long. So I think a move below this low, possibly into this area, I'm taking a long in here, and the stop will be opened something like at 447 area, and targeting above those highs for the first take profit, and then rest let's see how we do with it. We go with it, but I'm just looking for a move into 4058. So just set this up. So 4058 I'm looking for, and didn't get that yet. So it's about 11-12 points. So let's wait if we do get the tick into 4058 area. Okay, so in at 4059, just in this area, targeting for the first scaling out at just below this high. So something in let's call it 4072 area. The stop is opened at 4047, so 12 point stop, and looking for something to scale out in here, and let's see how we go with it. Okay, this is pound dollar, and we have a very nice thin run. So the first run didn't get to my level, so I'm looking for a short in this area at 200. So I'm just going to take this now, and we're in here, and the stop is at 13 pips, and Also, this is the first scaling out from our S&P trade. The stop will be at break even now, and the stop is at 13 pips. So I think we are let's see. So we moved quite swiftly into our out of our level, but understandable. I think we have some gap to fill in here, but I think we can reach in here. But this is the breaking point that is stalling the price right now. So let's see if we do come down, but in for the pound short at about 258. So 205. Yes, I mean something in here. So let's see how much is it though. Scaling something out at 17 pips if it comes down. So let's see. Okay, so this is pound, this is the entry, this gray line is the stop, and I'm going to take something out in here. So entry is 258, so 17 is here, so I'm closing 70% of my position, and the stop will be just above this high now. Just delete this. And the stop is here now. 70% of the position is scaled out, so let's see where it goes now. But so this trade is now risk free, and as far as S&P goes, so we have a very nice release to the upside to those highs. I took 50% of the position out in here at 72. Let's see. The stop is at break even right now, so I'm thinking that this shelf should hold. If it doesn't hold, then we might see price collapsing down to at least this area and possibly lower. So both trades are risk free now, and let's see how we progress with these. Okay, so out of this S&P, 50% was scaled out in here and 50% at break even. So I think sorry. So I think the price can draw back into this area. Could be traded, but not enough extension for me. Not even capable to me, I think. So this is S&P, and I think we should move down lower in this session, it looks like, but nothing much playable to me. But I think nice trade for our little 12-point move, and so it was in and about this 4059 area, and scaled something out 4072. So and something and break even. So I think pretty nice, but this is done. So as far as pound goes, we are still short in pound. The stop comes just above this high. I think we can fill in this area. I'm short from here, so I think something comes out at about 50 pips. Might even, I think, take something out in here as well. So let's see. Still in pound, so let's see how since I think also, yeah. So London closes in about half an hour. So sorry, let's see. But going to take something out. I think just thinking, since it's Friday, so I think I should move my stop just above in here to secure the position. But let's see. Okay, so S&P right here, another long in here. If it comes a few ticks down, but the reason is so you can see bleeding price behavior. Really, this move up cleans this pickup from from these little wicks, and just a second, let me enter. Yeah, so I'm in at 4055.8, and looking for this little shelf in here to fill, and 70 to 80% of the position will come out in here, and the rest will be possibly trail to something in here, or possibly in this area, but and the stop is just below here. So fairly simple trade. I think we can draw back into the range right now, and this is the 34 tick chart. So you can see this little so this little level in here, which is coming in at about 54. So I think on this tick chart, this price action is fairly cleaned up. So if we hit this, then likelihood that we hit this area, or possibly this area, at least gives us a chance to manage the position and scale the stop loss. And let's see. But as far as pound is concerned, so my stop is here right now at plus 14 pips. Entry was here, so I think it could stop us out given the structure right now it's maintaining. So you can see this area and possibly another fractal in here which could release, but I think we took out this shelf low, so I think we certainly can still see this gap fill today, but just quite aggressive right now, and let's see if it does take a stop. So it doesn't look so good right now. You can see came below the level and now stalling at the lows. So this is typically this is a pattern of continuation to the downside, but this is going on this tick chart, so stalling in this little gapish area in here, from in here. So I think should push soon, but still my stop is at the original position. So I think I might even get out of this short. Reason being that this is not showing any signs of bid right now. So let's see. And pound has actually moved downside quite nicely from this shelf area, and going to take something out in this area, just in this little level. So waiting for it. I'm stopped out of pound at 18 pips, so I had moved my stop to here, but after this this move cleaned up this fractal, so I moved my stop from this to this, and right now it has taken out my stop. So the reason fairly simply being, if it does rally this inefficiently, I think this is another short for me. If it comes the stop opened at the same point. So so nice. I think 17 pips out here and 18 pips here. So that's good enough for me. And as far as S&P goes, so we have started working through, the stop is right on that low, and we have started working through some of the liquidity in here. I think if it maintains, then we can reach our first objective. So let's see. Okay, so I'm out of this S&P trade. So I've moved my stop from this low to something in here. So a little bit of structure on this tick chart. So we got taken out with this inefficient leg. The reason of moving my stop is here that we have moved quite inefficiently. So if this move doesn't get to this gap, then I think it would be difficult to manage this position. We could just bleed out in the remaining of the session. So I just moved my stop in here, and I got stopped out. So 2 point loss in here, but doesn't matter. Still okay. And as far as the positions goes, so you can see this was a position. This was a position, and we had scaled something out. This is the loss that I took right now. And for the pound, so this is the pound, and no, this is the short. So first scaling out, and then second was stopped out in here. So this is the position I'm holding. For a little bit. I think we can draw back up the entire range. So this is a swing position. So just to go over this position, I don't have the live execution for it, but you can see we are coming into this deep structure into this area, which I have been talking about for a month or two, and we finally came. So I took a position in here, a fairly wide stop, a 40 pip stop, but now the profit has been another position has been taken care of and moved